guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the best vanilla slice cake I have ever made. This cake is perfect for tea times in the evenings with a hot cup of coffee or tea. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And now let's get started. So for this recipe you require 1 and 1/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of powdered or granulated sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of melted butter or oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 3 eggs and 1/3 cup of milk. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. In a large bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder and the salt. Mix it well and keep it aside. Separate the egg yolks and the whites. In another bowl, take the egg white and the sugar. Beat them together for 2 to 3 minutes till it turns white and fluffy. Add in 1 yolk at a time and beat it till it is combined. Add in the vanilla essence and the oil and beat it well. Gradually add the flour mixture into the egg mixture and fold it in using a spatula. The milk and fold it in. Pour the batter into a 6-inch square baking tin greased and dusted with flour or lined with parchment paper. It on a counter to prevent any air bubbles. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once the cake is out of the oven, let it cool in the tin itself for about 10 minutes and then demold it. Cut them into thin slices and now you are ready to serve it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.